Hello guys, welcome to this one bedroom apartment in Madrid. We're going to check it out. So we're here at the living room. Here's the entrance, the main door. Okay, this is a dining space and this would be the living room with the TV, coffee table, and sofa. Here is the kitchen. It's a fully furnished kitchen. It has all the appliances you need to cook. It includes a washing machine, a fridge, cabinets for extra storage, and appliances such as stove, microwave, oven, coffee machine, sorry, kettle, toaster. The dining space here comes with a speaker from Marshall. Here, a Marshall speaker with two chairs and a table. And here would be the bathroom downstairs. Okay, here it is, the shower blade. And the sink would be here. Okay. And if we go through this hallway, we'll encounter the office. So it's perfect for working or studying. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna head out upstairs to the second floor. Okay, this is the bedroom. Okay, it's very cozy, as you can see. Here's the upstairs bathroom, pretty similar to the one downstairs. Here's the mirror with the sink, and finally a walk-in closet. Alright, now we're going to check out the floor plan. This would be the second floor. Okay, this would be the first floor. And this is the floor plan in perspective. Alright, that's it guys, thank you.